Hey, this is John with FixYourDirtBike.com, and my Trail Tech keeps killing my battery. It might be killing yours too, so here's how I fixed mine for $7. I used the cheapest waterproof handlebar switch I could find and some shrink tube. Waterproof was just a buzzword, so I goobered mine with dielectric grease. This is a switch for lights, so I won't be needing to plug ends. I mounted mine next to the magic button and ran the leads as well as I was able. This is an inline switch, so all it is doing is interrupting the flow of power. An inline switch is typically installed along the positive path because sending DC to something without grounding it can potentially hurt it. I want to still be able to unplug and remove my Trail Tech, so I want to use a stock connector. I cut the power wires about 5 inches in front of the connector. For this switch, orange was positive and green was negative. I connected the battery side positive to orange, then the Voyager side positive to green to add the switch into the circuit. I then reconnected the black negative wires. I tested it to make sure everything worked, then I cleaned up the wiring as well as I could. If you have any questions about this install, please let me know in the comments or on social. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.